Okay, so I have her cake, party hats, and I'm setting everything up for her over on the other side of the room so she doesn't see it. Babe. Hi. Happy birthday! Hello! 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 Yeah, we got. Well, hey! I got some presents for you. You're 9. You're 9. Look at you. I got you some special stuff for your day. And we're gonna go somewhere special.
What is it made?
Let's go. Hi.
Yay, we're having a party hats. Yay! Yay!
Birthday girl.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alaska.
Yay.
Alaska. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alaska. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Happy birthday, blow the candle. You can help. Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alaska.
Yeah, she's saying too. Oh, wait, gotta take the candle off.
Take this off. All right.
Okay.
Break a piece open for us.
Yay!
Yay!
Is that good? Wait.
I know.
It looks like it's already in half.
It is. I'm evening it out.
Evening it out. Okay, now for your toy.
All right.
Woo! Yay!
Alaska. Hey. Hey.
Woo! Yay! Yay! Good birthday surprise.
Birthday surprise.
Release it, release it, release it. Release it, release it, release it.
Ready?
Release it,
Ready?
release it.
Babe. Alaska. Hey.
Woo!
Hi. You enjoying your life? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. You have to do that. So now that Alaska's had some of her cake, and I personally had ice cream, we're going on our birthday walk. We just came back from the park. We're both pretty tired. Yeah, you're worn out. And I was considering going to I still might go to the Jazz Fest, but I just yawned and signs are pointing to me turning in. I mean, if I was traveling and I was anywhere else, I would 100% go out and do whatever. I still might. It depends. We'll see.